Hi guys, welcome back to another new video, and right now we are in the city called Trent-Severn, which is actually very close to Kingston City. So we are here for the camping and we will be doing our overnight stay over here, and it's a first time experience for us and it's a very Canadian thing actually. So basically how it works is that we are at the location right now. They gave us the keys and these keys are basically for the restroom and for shower, and then we're gonna unload all our stuff and then gonna go to our spot for the camping. So let's see how the whole experience goes. Okay, so this is the way to go for our spot. That's the campsite and that's how it looks like. Pretty nice and interesting. And we are just walking towards our spot. Finally, this is our spot, and this whole area is for us. They have got this nice little fireplace also for us to do barbecue. And this is the area, and right across this is the river. That's the view. Pretty nice actually, and very peaceful. Let's see how it looks like at night. Basically the area which they have given it to us is quite spacious. It's really huge. These are the cute little lights we have. So this is the night view, and that's how dark it looks like at night. And there are not many lights over here, so that's why it's recommended to actually bring your own lights. Hi, a very good morning, and right now it's around 6:30 a.m. and this is how this place looks like. Really nice and peaceful. And right now it's around 13-degree temperature, and yeah, it's a bit cold. It's early morning, around 7 p.m. and that's how the view looks like. Really nice and stunning. And we are done with our camping and we are just heading back now, and this is the way to go up. The weather is pretty nice, very pleasant. So you see how apparently the boat just went down because they opened that gate and all the flow of the water goes on that side so that the level of the water is same and the boat can go ahead. It's quite interesting to see that. Really nice and organized. So guys, this brings to an end of this amazing video and hope you guys liked it, and it was actually an amazing experience. It was the first time for us doing the camping, and it was a bit scary at night and pretty cold as well, but if you got all your stuff then I think you're good to go. And even the location was pretty nice, very peaceful. It was not very crowded, and they actually provide you everything. They have their separate like restroom as well, and then the fireplace as well, so it's pretty like nice and organized. And the charges is around like $37, so which is good and reasonable. And don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon button to get more notification. And until then, bye.